G'day folks, I just want to show you this nice little upgrade for your GoPro. This will work with the GoPro Hero 6, the GoPro Hero 5, and the new GoPro Hero 2018. So this is the stock frame that comes with the GoPro. Now one problem that I've had with it, as have many others, and I don't know why GoPro hasn't fixed the problem, it's a very simple solution. Now when the GoPro is mounted in there and you need to charge it, you can't because the door's on, and you can remove the door, but it requires you to pull your GoPro out every time, take the door off. It's just a whole hassle, especially if you've got this thing mounted somewhere. This is a third-party frame that you can buy on Amazon. Now what they have done, if you look at this frame compared to the stock one that comes with the GoPro, is they've got a bigger cutout there. And it actually looks like a higher quality build. It's got a nice rubberized kind of finish to it. But the real magic is when you open it up and you put your GoPro inside, you can now open your door without having to take it out. You can remove it. So now you can charge it up, have it plugged into a power bank, plug in the GoPro microphone adapter if you want, and when you're done, just pop the door back in and close it. This isn't a lot of money, it's about $10, and if you're like me and you're constantly plugging stuff in, charging it, it'll save you a lot of aggravation and well worth the $10 that a frame like that costs. Well, that's it for this simple little video, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll include the links down below where you can buy this frame on Amazon. It's a nice little frame and definitely will save some aggravation. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next one.